Practice reading sentences with I want to be. I want to be a doctor and help cure the sick. I want to be a teacher and help kids learn and grow. I want to be an astronaut and explore the stars in my rocket ship. I want to be a superhero with a cool cape and amazing powers. I want to be a chef and cook delicious meals for everyone. I want to be a scientist and discover new things in my lab. I want to be a firefighter and save people from burning buildings. I want to be a famous artist and paint colorful masterpieces. I want to be a veterinarian and take care of cute animals. I want to be a magician and perform amazing tricks with my wand. I want to be an explorer and venture into mysterious jungles. I want to be a dancer and twirl gracefully on stage. I want to be a detective and solve tricky mysteries. I want to be a farmer and grow yummy fruits and veggies. I want to be an inventor and create cool gadgets. I want to be a rock star and sing my heart out on stage. I want to be a pilot and fly high in the sky. I want to be a zookeeper and take care of wild animals. I want to be a storyteller and share magical tales with everyone.